This is me and my dog. Why should we go over this? Stop breathing. I'm joking. I love my dog. Damn, look at the camera. That's the floor. Damn. Lift my camera. Hello, my man. I'm doing this. Can't eat my face. Is that against the look of Tell me to lie down. Come over to Stop eating me if you're laying down. He's a scared cat at the camera. Nobody wants the video in my camera. God damn it, you stupid cat. I'll take this cat. You douchebag. Ah! I gotta stand up. Damn. Hello. Hello. Stop breathing. I like it too. You're trying to eat me. Shit. Damn. No! Don't leave me. Don't leave me with them. Comment. No! No! Gorgeous. Stand up, stand. Everybody, good. Stand. All you can see is his mouth. You in your mouth. Oh. Ah, fuck you. Scab! Bad dog! My camera's on. Scab! No! Bad. Don't be naughty. This is on YouTube, you stupid dog. I love you, but you're sometimes really stupid. Aha! You're trying to attack me with the ball. It's like, take that, Isabel. Meanie. Not Meanie, you're the idiot. Fuck. Stop attacking me with your smelly... Oh. God damn it. Come here. Nazi! Don't you. I hate you. Stop it! Scamps. As soon as Scamp saw the camera, he was like, hey, no. Wait, what's that? Scamp, look at the camera. Pimp. Blue. Damn. Down. Face down. Ah. My dog's. Hello. Wait. Hello. We're livening up the party. Oh shit. No, it's scam. Don't leave me. Look at the camera. This way. This way. Refuses. He sees this stuff and he's like, oh, what's that thing? Oh. Me and my dog. It tries to eat my face. My dog's a dog. I think he's a Labrador. Or Retriever. I think he's a Labrador. Golden Labrador. He's not a Golden Retriever. That's what my dad does. On your eye. Look at his adorable face. Scott! No! I have to do that to make sure he doesn't fart. Like he did earlier, which was a pain in the bum. Don't let me. You're adorable. But, I don't like being licked. Oh, do you like my hair plaited? Put that down below if you like my hair plaited. It's like, it's really annoying to do though. We keep doing it at school. Scammer's like, baller speeding. Yawn. That's so rude. So sorry. Okay. Come this way. Come closer. Come on. Moosh! Forward! Sorry. Love you guys. It's been bomb.
Josh and Holly have a whopping £700 to spend on this sofa. Let's hope that budget won't go up.
He won't let me put my face. He won't let me look. Ah! Itchy. Yeah. Bad dog. No. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me when the comments on me. Meanie. So yeah, so like in that video, do some dares. I'm meant to be writing some dares today. And Charlie, talk to me. And this is a new episode. Screw your bullshit, Charlie. It's that's man. Yeah, I'm not good at it though. Bye. Your bitches. Ow.